Up till now, every single detail about the Samsung Galaxy S23 series has been confirmed, but you will be happy to see a new leak that has been appeared for the S23 Ultra device. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe the channel. So guys, yesterday we have seen the official press render for the S23 Ultra device, which pretty much confirms the design and the color option for the S23 Ultra device. It's also going to be the official marketing material, so definitely they are close to the original devices. Today we have got another leak regarding the cases for the S23 Ultra, and it's going to be the flip cover case. Basically, these cases are coming in those color option which are going to be in line with those colors that are coming for the S23 Ultra device, which are the green, black, cream and pink color options. Now another thing these cases are coming in that is going to be the always on display cutout is available there. Plus we have another compartment where you can put your credit cards in there, which is honestly going to be a good thing to have. Previously we know that a leather cover case has been leaked, which is going to be giving us an idea that the camera sensor on the S23 Ultra are going to be bigger as compared to the S22 Ultra. And talking about the cameras, we already know more information about the device, but another leak has been coming from iCineverse regarding the camera sensor for the S23 Ultra. And according to him, the S23 Ultra will be having no issue with the autofocus. Well, previously we know that S20 was the first device which was coming with a 108 megapixel sensor, and that time we have the focusing issue with the cameras. Now this time we are going to be seeing a 200 megapixel sensor in the S23 Ultra, so definitely having this leak means that it's going to be nice thing to. Plus he also mentioned that the stabilization of the S23 Ultra cameras are going to be much more improved. We can expect to see a sensor shift stabilization in the S23 Ultra device. He also mentions that we are going to be seeing a portrait video modes which can record up to 2.8K. Along with these new features, Samsung is also going to add a new night photography feature which is much better than the S22 Ultra. Also, Samsung is going to be giving us 3 shooting modes, and we even get a screenshot of the Galaxy S23 Ultra camera app, which is coming with a 200 megapixel dedicated mode, 50 megapixel mode and a 12 megapixel mode. And you guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Why did you want to get the Galaxy S23 Ultra? Now guys, the official announcement of the Galaxy S23 series will be on February 1st, and the pre-reservation page has already been live on internet, which will give you a $50 credit if you pre-reserve the device right now. But if you pre-reserve the S23 series and the Galaxy laptop, then definitely you will get a $100 credit. And you guys, if you are interested to see the official pricing of the S23 series, here is the video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.